GM and welcome to a new video. This is the second part of the Yaps video series. I promised you guys an update and here we go. I will record this in two parts. Today is the 22nd, but actually I'm gonna release the video tomorrow on the 23rd when I have even more data on what does work and what doesn't. But I wanted to record everything now. The first few days happened. So basically this is kind of a vlog on Yaps, what does work, what doesn't. Let me know what did work for you guys. But finally I got my first Yap. Actually on the first days I didn't get any Yaps. And I will show you what I posted. To be honest, on the first day, I didn't really do anything. And on the second, actually, I expect to get the first one at least, but I did not. So let's go through what I posted, what I did, so you guys can more easily follow along and try the same things that I did. As you can see here, I posted this on the 18th of January, and actually I didn't do anything on that day. I didn't really comment on other accounts. I didn't put any effort in, only posted that I'm working on part 3 of my abstract series. By the way, you can check that out on my channel. Part 3 is out by now. And then on the 19th, I just did a GM post, not much there. Then on the 20th of January, I was like, damn it, I made the video on Yaps. I will need to record an update soon, so I should better be going on starting to put out content. So I actually got some Yaps because otherwise it would look very bad. I decided to put my current video into a thread. As I explained in the video, I used Grok for this to try this out. Actually, I find Grok way better for this than ChatGPT for writing tweets. So what I did is I just put in the script of my video, put it into Grok, told it to write an engaging thread, and this is what it came up with. I pasted the images in here, and then actually I thought, well, that was a nice thread. I should get a Yap for that, but actually on the 21st, which was yesterday, I didn't get any Yaps. I also commented, for example, here on Jesse. If we go here, Jesse, I commented on his posts. This is what I commented. I thought that was kind of nice. So I also commented on some other accounts, but nothing. So I got 0 Yaps there. Also, I got AI XBT to comment on his posts if he's any of the serious players joining a backpack. So I thought maybe this will give me a Yap, but as I said, on the 21st, I didn't get any Yaps. Then on the 22nd, which is today, showed the results of yesterday's work. And what did I do? Okay, so the current thread didn't bring anything. I posted something on Pengu, so people should take a look at Pengu. Also did it with a $sign because I took a look at a lot of those smaller accounts and they all put this in there. Maybe this one led to the one Yap. We don't know for sure. So this is what I posted. Also, I got AI XPT to comment on my comment again. It was a post about Linnea and Sybil addresses, and I wrote, never seen any project milk users more than what they did to people with the Linnea campaign. And AI XPT commented, every protocol does. They all use us for their ends. The game is to use them back. Spitting the facts there. So I don't know, I commented on a lot of other smart accounts from the top 20 as well. So I don't know what actually led to my Yap. But today I went in even harder. So I started the next phase of my climbing higher in the Yapper leaderboard challenge. I wrote a thread on anime where I actually asked Grok to basically write most of it. I retweeted a tweet from Kaito on the East sentiment, put it into comparison to Sol and Sui, so maybe this will also help. And I also commented on a lot of other smart accounts, and I also got even more posts scheduled now. So that's just the update for now. I'm gonna record the next part tomorrow, put those together, and then we will have the complete video that I'm gonna post. Fingers crossed, I'm gonna do some other commenting on the top 20 here and from others in those different leaderboards. And then we'll see where we end up tomorrow. This will be cut and we will see how many yaps I got here. 1.43 yaps is the total that I got. They actually added partial yaps now since I recorded the video yesterday. Yeah, I was kind of rocked by the X API. I was logged in on Kaito on the Yaps leaderboard, but actually I found out that my X account was disconnected, so I needed to log out, log back in again, and then authorize the app on X again. So I think that I lost like 12 to 14 hours of potential yaps, and I put out a lot of tweets and commented on a lot of stuff. So yeah, not really sure if it's working now, because if we go back here, this is basically loading endlessly. I don't know if this is something from Yaps right now or if I'm being disconnected from X again. But as a total, I got, if we go here, this shows none for the last 24 hours, but in the last 48 hours, I got one yap. And if I click on here, I see that I got 1.43 yaps earned total. As I said, the last 12 to 14 hours probably were worthless. I put out a lot of content, commented on a lot of other things, but probably all useless. And I hope that now it works again. We'll check again later. So in case you're pretty sure that you should be getting some yaps, check again if your X is still connected to the Yaps leaderboard. You can see here a lot of content now. I got AI XPT to comment again on a post that I did. Also, we can see Kaito Connect now here, where you can basically put your yaps to work and vote here. And I wrote a thread on that as well. And maybe we go through this to finish this video off until I do an update next week. I will be at Catstambul this weekend, the big Jupyter conference. So not so active in regards of being an active yapper, but I will be posting updates on Jupyter and everything around that conference. Maybe that will give me some yaps and attention as well. They launched this launchpad here, and what they do is it lets the community decide which projects get their own yapper leaderboards. So basically this here, and people can vote. It's a weekly voting system powered by Yaps, Smart Followers, and soon Genesis NFTs. Let's skip to how the voting works. Votes are Yaps X100 plus the Smart Followers that you have. This is what isn't showing right now for me, so I'm not sure if I'm again disconnected from X or if it's just a visual bug. Genesis NFT holders will join the voting system in February, adding another layer of strategy here. The Launchpad isn't just for pre-TGE projects. Long-term reward programs for post-TGE projects are coming too, just the start. Probably if you vote, maybe you get more yaps or you get some reward for voting. So I will definitely put my yaps to work and vote once the voting goes live in a couple of hours once I post this video, because actually I'm recording this on the 23rd, but I will be posting this on the 24th because today on the 23rd I'm releasing the update for God. Again, let me know if you have been successful in getting any yaps. It's really getting harder and harder. I read this from a lot of people. There's more and more attention coming to yaps, especially since Anime, for example, announced that they will give out allocations to yappers. We don't know yet if it's only for the anime leaderboard or in general, but I think more projects will follow and reward people that have Yaps, because then they know that those are people that put out original content and are relevant in some kind of way. So yeah, just repeating what I said in the last video, start this, set up your account. If you're active on Twitter, there's no downside to this, basically. Just start, set up your account as I showed you in the last video, and then get some Yaps, or at least 0.004 Yaps or something like that. I've seen estimates like over $100 per Yap. Not really believing that, but you never know. So thank you so much for following, and see you in the next video.